To fill out a WinTrade nomination, you go to the awards website, press the awards link, go to nominate, which will take you to the nominations page. You choose your top line category, takes you to the nomination engine. You choose create an account. You fill out the form as required. Again, this should take you no more than a couple of minutes. You create your account. This is your account. Your details automatically come up on the login page and you sign in. Once you sign in, you can actually start creating your entry. This is where the nomination actually starts. You choose your subcategory. And you decide whether you are nominating someone else or whether you are nominating yourself, and you fill out that form appropriately. If you're nominating someone else, you click the someone else button and you fill in as much details as you can about that person. We appreciate you won't know everything about that person, so I will tell you how it works shortly. You fill out the top of the form with as much detail as you can, and we will then send the nominee a copy of the form so they can complete the nomination process and submit it. You just fill in as much as you can and submit it to us, and we will pick it up from there. Of course, all the information that's going in here is just place markers, what I call a place marker, to show you how simple it is to nominate yourself or nominate someone. The fields that are highlighted or bold, you must fill them in, otherwise you won't be able to submit. But you can use placeholding information until your nominee is able to give you the correct information. Simple as that. From where it says further on, that is where your nominee fills. You click create the entry, and that is practically it. What you need to do, if you have a picture of your nominee, is upload the picture to the nomination file. Simple to do. It'll take you to your pictures file or somewhere that you have picture folders. You can choose your picture and submit it to the form. We encourage everyone to submit or insert if possible, 2 pictures, but you must submit at least 1. The more the better. Like the whole form, the more information you give us, the better. If you have a YouTube video, simply copy the YouTube link, copy and paste it there, select it there to make sure it's the right one, and then select it again to enter into the form. So now you have your pictures, you have your video. If you have audio, please also insert and press proceed. You will now see that you have your nomination. What you must do to submit it is highlight the 2 ticks and proceed. You get a summary of what you've submitted, you get a PDF of what you've submitted, and then you can see who or how many people you have submitted or completed. You will automatically receive an email confirmation attached with a PDF attached, confirming that your nomination has been received. There's the PDF, you can download it and check it to make sure the information is correct. If not, you can log back into your account and update it, and you will get another updated PDF. And this is what it looks like. If you are nominating someone, you can send this information to them. In fact, once you put your nominee's information into the form and you submit it, they will also automatically receive an email saying that you have nominated them for a WinTrade award. They click here to go into the account to view and complete their nomination. So they are automatically logged in and they can update the information and complete the form as necessary, ensuring all the correct information is attached or inserted. Again, this is all placeholding information. Once that's completed, update your entry and submit again. So this has now been submitted to the awards website, the back end, and what will happen at WinTrade, we will check through the entry to ensure that everything we need is there. If we're happy with it, we will approve it. Once it's approved, you will get an email saying that your information has been approved and you are now up on the voting page. We encourage you to share with your social media to encourage your friends and family to vote for you. Once it's approved, you will also get an email with a nominee badge on it. Please download it, add it to your email and share with friends and family, again encouraging them to nominate you, vote for you. It's quite a simple process. The basic part of it will take you approximately 5 minutes, and then you can decide whether your nominee can or needs to complete further information, or they can decide, but the more information we have, the better. And it's basically as simple as that. If you have any further needs or queries, please do let us know. You can simply log back into the account by going back to the nominations page and click login. If for any reason you cannot log in again, simply click the link below asking for a new password or to reset your password, and that will be sent to you and you can log back in that way. If for any reason that does not work, please contact us on the email in the in our contact form, or simply contact us at nominations@wintradeweek.com or info@wintradeweek.com. We look forward to seeing you online. If you still have any issues, we can arrange a call and walk you through the process whilst you're online, and fill out the form whilst you're online. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it explains things for you.